Hey, it's Phil Simon, and I wanted to show you a neat Notion trick for delaying database notifications when you enter a new record. So, as anyone with Notion experience probably knows, when you add a new record to a database and tie it to a notification, you'll get an alert. So, for example, if I click here new record, let's say this is a CRM, and I'm talking to somebody here, and the person's giving me information about whatever. You see here that I've got a new notification in Notion, and guess what? There is a record here that there is a new record, and that's fine, but I haven't really added anything in here, right? No address, no city, no state. Now, also, as you may know, if you create a website form, you can actually require fields. So you could say you can't, for example, fill out this form unless you enter a city or an address, something along those lines. So I've used a little bit of Notion magic to solve that problem. And I'm going to go here to the database that I created for delaying database record notifications. So right here, here's that new record. On the other one, I'm going to mark that as red, and I'm just going to delete here Neil for a minute. Rest in peace, Neil. Now if I click here on new record and don't do anything, you're not going to see a Notion notification. And that stems from the fact that I actually am requiring, in order for the notification to kick off, entry into this completed records database view. And the link here to the notifications works like this. So it will kick off the notification, but it will only be in the page, or the database view, for completed records, which begs the question, how is it different? And if we go here, we can see that I have edited the view by filtering it. Is this information complete? It's a simple checkbox. If I open up this record here on data for new record, and let's say I want to put in Geddy Lee, and let's say he lives in Mahwah, New Jersey, and 123 Main Street, and I'll just leave this blank right now. But if I click here, enter new record, and it's going to tell me that I am entering Geddy Lee into the database. Now it's a full record, and hopefully my Notion notification will kick off that yes, I have basically entered this information here for the new record, and it's not blank. So this is a way for you to delay it. The only challenge with this one is that you have to train people to actually click that button, which, as we see here, if I open up Geddy's record, I can click here, enter new record, or if I just wanted to click that check here, because this button here actually checks this property, so I should probably move that around a little bit. So hopefully this will help if you ever have any people on your team who are particularly up to date on things and you don't want them to see a new task, a new project, a new prospect, whatever. This is a way for you to solve that Notion problem.